KTM presents the new 890 Adventure R Rally 2024. Developed on the technical basis of the 890 Adventure R, it is equipped with WP Pro Components suspension, completely similar to those used by the official riders of the KTM Factory Racing Team. So keep watching. Built on the technical basis of the 890 Adventure R, the new 890 Adventure R Rally 2024 is designed for those who love adventure. The fork is a WP Explore Pro 7548 with cone valve technology, while the mono is a WP Explore Pro 6746 fully adjustable. The travel is equal to 270 millimeters. Powering the bike is the 889cc twin-cylinder engine, capable of delivering 105 horsepower at 8,000 RPM and 100 Newton of torque at 6,500 RPM. The Akrapovic slip-on line silencer is standard, aesthetically similar to the one used on the official bikes engaged in the Dakar. The electronics include Bosch 9.3 MP ABS with off-road function, traction control with 3 riding modes, Tech Pack with MSR, cruise control, Quickshifter Plus and rally mode, 5 inches TFT display with turn-by-turn plus navigation and connectivity kit to manage and travel incoming calls and music playlist. On the new 890 Adventure R Rally, we also find numerous accessories from the KTM Power Parts catalog, including rally saddle for competitions, XL spoked rims, rally foot pegs, carbon tank guards, additional guards for the engine, the rear brake master cylinder and for the fork, and the new Supersprock stealth crown derived from rallying. Finally, the new 890 Adventure R Rally 2024, made in just 700 units worldwide, can be pre-ordered online from the 20th of September on the KTM website, and the bike will be on sale at a price of €22,990. That's all.